Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to join a Roblox group. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to join a Roblox group, all you gotta do is simply open your Roblox account. So once you open your Roblox account, you will end up in this interface. So simply scroll and tap on the navigating menu on the top left hand side of the corner. So once you're gonna tap on it, you will get a drop down menu bar where you can simply scroll down below and go and find the option called group. So once you have found the option called group, you can simply tap on it, which will now redirect you to this interface. So once you're here, you can simply search for groups like where you want to join, or you can also scroll down below to find different kind of groups. So here you can find any results and you can simply tap on the people icon. So once you tap on the people icon, right over there you will be ending up in this interface where you can find the option called join group. You can simply use this way to join a group on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.